Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Saummya and today we will be moving forward to our third question in Babbar's 450 DSA sheet under the topic strings. So people, let's move forward. So this is our Babbar's 450 questions DSA sheet. This is our third question. Find duplicate characters in a string. So let's move forward to our question. So here it's the explanation. We will be shifting to our spider ID to solve this. So people, let's move forward to our code part. For solving this, I will be using a method known as hashing. Okay, so what we are doing here is we will be creating a dictionary which is containing key values as all the alphabets present in this string with their counts as the value of the keys. Okay, so let's do the code first. First we will be creating a function duplicates, let's say, and for the argument we will be giving a string inside it. Okay, let's start a empty dictionary. Okay, then we will be starting a loop for I in range till length of the string which we are using. We will be checking if the element is already present in our dictionary. Then what we will be doing is we will simply increase the count of it by 1, which is just like this: duplicate of string of I, just increase the value by 1, and else if it is not present there, what we will be doing is just copy and we will just initiate the value to 1. Okay, so till here what we have done, we have created a dictionary that we wanted. Now our task is to fetch the data from that dictionary and return the items having more than 1 count. Okay, so how we will be doing that is for let's say take two example variables to iterate through the dictionary. Let's say I comma j. Okay, in this dictionary, if j is greater than 1, okay, then what we will be doing is simply returning those values. Print what we are doing here is just string of I, then comma plus count is equal to space string of j. Okay, now what we are going to do is just simply call the function. Okay, just give a space and a plus sign to concatenate. Okay, now what we have to do, simply call the function duplicates, give the value s, and for this we can take the same example that we are using here. It may create some issue for us, so we'll just copy and put it inside a new string. Okay, let's save and run. It's duplicates. Just save and run. Okay, we have let's try to run this again. Since we are iterating through a dictionary, we will have to give it like this: duplicate dot items. Okay, let's save and run. Yes, we can see we are getting the value that we wanted like this. So people, I hope you were able to understand the solution. This is for all for today. I'll be providing the solution and the link for Babbar's 450 DSA sheet in the description. So thank you people. If you are liking my videos, please like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you so much.